question from Digital SAT, Test 3, Module 2B. This is the hardest set of reading and writing questions. It's a sentence completion. We know that because it's asking about the most logical and precise word or phrase. We've got De La Cruz. He shows that it's misleading to treat waste solid as blank when determining decay rates. Why? Because grass decays 10 times that of corrugated boxes, containers, which are like cardboard. Okay. So you want to predict your answer. I would say it's misleading to treat waste as all the same when determining decay rates because grass and cardboard decays at such different rates. What means all the same? Undifferentiated, not different, means all the same. To see the following video, go to YouTube, IB Masters Learning Center, go to the playlist, find Test 3, Module 2B, the harder set of reading and writing questions, and the shorter videos are going to be just below or above these longer videos. Shorter, longer, the others longer, this shorter. Have a great day.